Sticking to it with Salesforce. Salesforce customization demo. So when we think about Salesforce, we immediately think about sales, right? After all, it's right there in the name, Salesforce. But the Salesforce platform can do a lot more. In fact, you can customize Salesforce to meet a wide variety of business needs. To demonstrate the many options for Salesforce customization, our team tackled a problem most people are familiar with, trying to stick to our New Year's resolutions. At this point, you may find the luster of New Year is starting to wear off, and with it, your commitment to New Year's goals. Really, the struggle was real, but with every challenge comes opportunity, and we're using this one to showcase the vast capabilities of Salesforce. To help you think creatively about the many ways you can use the platform, we've built a custom Salesforce app to keep our users on track with their New Year's resolutions. Let's log in and check out how our team put their Salesforce customization skills to use. The app's homepage displays a dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, they allow you to view visual representations of data in your system, such as a chart that shows you how much progress you've made toward your goals. You can customize dashboards to get a quick glimpse of a variety of key metrics. Dashboards allow you to input information related to your goal that you want to track, updates the progress of your goals, provides accountability within your team, and provides recognition when you complete your goal through a chatter post, which is a social collaboration tool in Salesforce. This tool is superior to other similar trackers, which limit you to what they think you should track, such as exercise and weight loss goals only. You can do that in this app, yet so much more is available. Get creative. This app is flexible enough to track any goal you may have for yourself, from drinking a certain amount of water today to reading a certain number of books. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set a new goal. So from the Goals tab, we'll click New. There's a custom goal object with 5 record types to choose from. The user can choose to measure their goals by hours, days, currency, a number, which would come in handy for goals like an amount of weight to lose or a number of books to read. Or you can use none if you don't need to measure your goal and simply want to keep it public to your team or coworkers so they can help keep you accountable. Once they make their selection here, they move to the goal record, where they can then enter all the details about their resolution. As you can see here, users enter all the details for their goal, including their target date of completion and why they want to achieve it. In this case, the user has chosen a number as they want to measure their goal, which they can input any amount needed to complete their goal. Here's a look at that resolution filled out in Salesforce. We can see that Will Totten wants to lose 50 pounds by November 1st. Looks like Will has lost 7.5 pounds this month already. Great job, Will. Looks like you're well on your way to accomplishing your goal. Another great feature of this app is that there is a formula field to display today's date, as you can see in the today's field, and another to calculate the total amount of progress measured toward your goal, as you can see in the total amount logged fields. As nice as those formulas are to have, the workflows running behind the scenes are what make these fields seem like magic. As you can see, there is a goal status field, which displays the status as draft, in progress, completed, not complete, or canceled. Let's say that you let time pass by and make no progress on your goal. If the current date in the today field becomes greater than the field you specified as your goal completion date, your status changes to not completed. A more favorable scenario, however, you gave it your all to complete your goal, and your total amount logged met or exceeded your goal amount, then the status automatically changes to completed. You won't need to worry about setting your progress in this app because the workflow rules take care of everything. From the first measure you create, your progress will be automatically set to in progress. Speaking of measures, that's where we are headed next. Users can track their progress towards their resolutions using the Measures tab or the Measures Related list, which you can see on this record. There are also 5 record types to choose from in Measures, and they are the same ones that are used in the Goals object. They allow you to choose what type of new measurement you want to use to track your goal. This information feeds back into the goal in the dashboard for individual users and for the whole team so that everyone can see each other's progress. This allows team members to provide encouragement and motivation. An awesome tool that Salesforce features is Chatter, which is a social network for business. With it, you can do some neat things like what we did using Process Builder. When you complete a goal, a post to Chatter is automatically made to congratulate you, which will let your team and coworkers know that you mean business, and you will receive well-deserved recognition. Finally, we can see Will Totten's dashboard, which shows 3 different components: Will's goals, total goals by team member, and goals by status. Will's goals show his own goals. In this instance, we can see a bar chart showing 2 metrics, which represent that he lost 7.5 pounds out of his 50-pound goal. Total goals by team members show how many goals each member of his team has set. Lastly, goals by status shows the status that each of his own and his team's goals are in. You can see 8 goals are currently in progress. 1 is a draft, which means no progress has yet been made, and 1 is completed. So as you can see, Salesforce can be customized to fulfill any number of business requirements, but it takes a strong partner with experienced Salesforce administrators and developers to make your vision become a reality. Central App would love to partner with your company to meet your sales, customer service, marketing, in addition to a wide variety of your other business needs.